Welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this mini flower light, or plant light I should say. So let's open this up, see what we get, and then show you guys a little bit about it. Woo! Alright guys, so this is what you get in the pack. You get a little manual, and this is how it looks. So you can set it up however you want. You got the stakes for how high you want it. You got the adapters, got the peg in there as well, and these are the lights. So you plug this into any USB port. It doesn't matter what USB. You can even use a power bank like this, and it power it like that. So like now we have it plugged in, and then if you have your plant at a window or something and have a solar power bank, it will forever charge and forever power, so you don't ever have to mess with it. As you guys can see here, white with red lights in it. You can also adjust the color. Now you just have red, LED lights. So we adjust it again. Now you just have the white, mix, red. You can adjust the brightness, so you can make it much dimmer, much brighter as well. You got a timer, and you can turn it off. So you stick it in like this and use the adapters to have different ones. Again, you don't have to go as crazy high. You guys can adjust that however you like. So here's an example how you guys can do it if you wanted to. It's going to depend on how high your plant is and your idea, but it's a do-it-yourself and works great. And yes, you can just use one peg just like this, or you can use all three. It's going to be up to you. So guys, this is what it looks like. I need to reposition it better, that way it's directly over it, but for right now, just to demonstrate, I'm going to work on that off camera. But yeah, so works great. For our little plant, I don't think we need two. It does cover better having two, but I don't think we need to. So there you go. You got the different light scenes, just white and mixed. Yeah, so it does work very well. I do like it. So I will use it for our bonsai tree. Stakes great right down in, so I'm happy.